Can entrepreneurship be taught? Or if so, how?
Can entrepreneurship be taught? If so, how? This is a great question. I believe not only can entrepreneurship be taught, but actually, in order to be a successful entrepreneur, we need to learn entrepreneurial skills that dramatically increase our chance of success. I think when people ask this question, though, can entrepreneurship be taught, they're really asking a slightly different question, which is, what is the relative role of talent and skills in a successful entrepreneur? What is the mix of contribution to the success of the entrepreneur of their entrepreneurial talents and entrepreneurial skills? So to understand that a little better, we should look at what is the role of, what are the relative roles of talent and skills in success at anything that you try to do. Clearly, success depends on both talent and skills. Talent I'm defining as inherent qualities that people bring to what they're trying to do, and skills are the skills that they learn and develop that help them to succeed. So obviously, a combination of talent and skills are required for all complex endeavors that people undertake. Example, you want to become a successful scientist, some talents will help you be a successful scientist, but you're not going to succeed without learning the skills that scientists need to succeed. I believe that entrepreneurship is essentially the same. People can bring their talents to entrepreneurial career, their willingness to take risks, their self-startingness, their perseverance, but their likelihood of success will be significantly increased when they develop the skills that underlie successful entrepreneurship. It's very difficult to learn entrepreneurial skills by typical classroom methods of reading, studying, and taking exams, which I fully agree. The way that we can learn entrepreneurial skills is through experiential learning. Experiential learning means we learn through doing. This is how we will learn entrepreneurial skills in this course, and it's a very common method of learning to do things where a combination of talent and skill is required. For example, swimming. When people learn to swim, they don't learn to swim by studying about swimming and taking an exam and then jumping into the pool. They learn to swim by getting into the pool and first learning to float, and then learning to tread water, and then learning to swim in deeper and deeper water. So we will do something very similar in our course, help students develop entrepreneurial skills through actually the experience of acting as entrepreneurs in the course.
So what are the qualities that help you to be a successful entrepreneur?
So although entrepreneurs are made and not born, there are some qualities that will help individuals to become successful entrepreneurs. When we look at successful entrepreneurs, we find some of these qualities in pretty high degree. So things like intelligence, creativity, self-startingness, high degree of motivation, willingness to take risk, self-discipline, perseverance are all qualities that we find in successful entrepreneurs to a higher degree than in the general population.
So why is perseverance so important for successful, scalable entrepreneurship?
Perseverance is another very important quality for a successful, scalable entrepreneur, because the road to successful, scalable entrepreneurship is going to be filled with many obstacles and setbacks and difficulties. And if you are not able to persevere through those obstacles, setbacks, and difficulties, you're not going to make it to success.
Why is self-discipline so important for successful, scalable entrepreneurship?
Self-discipline is extremely important in success at any difficult venture, but even more so for successful entrepreneurs. Why? As an entrepreneur, you have to motivate yourself and make sure that you continue to do what you need to do to succeed. You're not going to have a boss behind you telling you what you need to do, and you're not going to have somebody dangling carrot and sticks in front and behind you to try to motivate you. So you're going to have to continue to make the effort to succeed and stick to your plan no matter what. And if you're not extremely self-disciplined, it's very easy to fail to make it to the desired success.